love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. Yeah. It's not real. I don't even want to go back home.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Maida over here, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install this beautiful blonde honey wig from Beautiful Forever. They sent me this hair, which is available Amazon page, and their website is a 16 inches blonde honey blonde wig with beautiful highlights. It's super pretty, super soft. I love the hair, and it was really fun and easy to install. It already came pre-plugged, but I did plug a little bit more outside the camera. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing the wig. I already have my braids done, so I'm just gonna apply some oil on my scalp and proceed to put my wig cap on. I usually do the bold cap method, but because I didn't want to stay a long time with the hair because I have to get my hair braided, I just decided to do the wig cap regularly. And yeah, and then I went ahead and I put a little bit of foundation all over the front of the wig cap so it can mimic the color of my skin. And then I proceed to start customizing and installing the wig. The first thing I did is cut the excess lace on the sides so it can properly fit the sides of my hair and be comfortable around the ears. Then I went ahead, I clipped the hair and I cut the lace in 3 sections so application can be smoother and easier. I'm gonna use my wig dealer glue. This is the only glue I use on my hair and my favorite one. I feel like I get the best results when I use this glue, and it lasts a lot longer than with any other. So basically I just do section by section. I applied 3 layers of the glue. On this video I'm only showing how I apply the 3 layers on one side because I didn't want to make the video too repetitive and long. So right now I'm just applying the sides first. Here I made a little mistake. I usually start with the middle part, the middle section, but it's fine. At the end of the day, I'm applying the wig, and whatever part I start with, it doesn't really matter. So here I'm putting the third and last coat of glue, and then I'm just gonna use a little small comb. I couldn't find my other combs for some reason, so I'm using this one, which is the one I found, and you did the job. So I'm just gonna slick back, comb the hair. And I'm also gonna use the blow dryer, but I'm not quite sure if I put a clip on. Yeah, I didn't put a clip on how I use the blow dryer, but usually with the blow dryer and the comb it should be enough. And then I'm just gonna show how I apply the other 2 sections, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch this part because it's basically the same thing. It's just applying the glue and, you know, putting the wig on the other 2 sections. Okay, now that I'm done gluing the lace, I'm gonna take a elastic band and I'm gonna wrap that part to secure and make sure the glue and the lace stay in place while I fix the hair a little bit. There, you guys can see how big it is. It's so beautiful. The highlights look amazing, and the hair itself, it's so soft. I do wish the wig they sent me was a little bit longer, but I am actually happy with this length because I'm not a fan of super long hairs. Now I'm just doing a part on the side, a little bit deep. And now I'm using my hot comb, just going through the roots of the hair on the front and around the side part to make sure the hair stays where I want it to stay. I'm not gonna go through the end because I don't want to mess up the curls. Just doing the roots a little bit. And then I'm gonna use my wig dealer wax stick. It actually smells really good, and I've been using it for a while, and like I said, it's the only brand I use right now for my hair. I'm gonna go over again with the hot comb, and I'm gonna remove the elastic band just to make sure I can get through all the little hairs. When I'm satisfied with my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace, and I'm doing it on a zigzag. I usually use one of those tiny razor things, but I ran out, so I'm just using my little scissors, which work fine, and I'm just going on the zigzag method to make it look as natural as possible. Here's the lace all cut out. I still have to customize it a little bit more, like put some foundation to blend in with my skin, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the elastic band again, and then I'm gonna go do my face off camera because like I said, I don't want this video to be extremely long. I might post the video on how I did my makeup. It depends on if I like how it came out or not. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some water and foam on the hair. Okay, so here my face is done and the hair is dried. I did fluff it a little bit, but you guys can see how beautiful the curls look. I am just so happy with the results. You guys can see that you can tell where my foundation is, but I'm gonna fix that right now with some powder. I usually don't put too much product around my hairline. When it comes to my wigs, just a little bit of powder should be able to fix any imperfection around the area. I also went ahead and with my concealer, and I fixed up my hairline. I fixed up my part just a tiny bit. You don't need too much. It's just to make it look more natural. And yeah guys, this is the final look. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked the video tutorial. It was super simple, so everybody can understand every single step that I'm going through. The hair is really beautiful. I am going to leave all the details and information on the hair on my description box, so you guys can go ahead and purchase if you would like it. Like I said, the hair is from Beautiful Forever. It was sent to me for free so I can show you guys and do this tutorial, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It was a really nice hair. So yeah, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. See you guys on my next video. Bye.